Texas. Yes, you heard that right. Texas is the richest state in America. But is it true? Have you ever wondered which states in the USA boast the highest GDP and economic prosperity? Today, we're diving into the top 10 richest states in the country based on GDP, from bustling metropolises to thriving industries. These states are powerhouses driving the nation's economy. Stay tuned as we unveil the rankings and explore what makes these states economic giants. Let's uncover the wealth and success of the top 10 richest states in the USA based on GDP. Let's get started. Number 10. North Carolina. North Carolina secures a 10th spot on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP, known for its diverse economy, encompassing industries like finance, technology, and agriculture. North Carolina boasts a strong economic foundation, the state's strategic location, skilled workforce, and business-friendly environment have contributed to its economic growth. While not as affluent as higher-ranked states, North Carolina's steady GDP growth and innovation place it among the nation's economic powerhouses. Number 9. Georgia. Georgia claims the 9th position on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP, with a diverse economy driven by sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and technology. Georgia has seen significant economic growth. The state's strategic location as a transportation hub and its pro-business policies have attracted investments and fostered job creation. While not as affluent as higher-ranked states, Georgia's economic resilience and innovation contribute to its solid GDP performance. Number 8. New Jersey. Securing the 8th spot on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP is New Jersey, known for its diverse economy, encompassing industries like pharmaceuticals, finance, and telecommunications. New Jersey boasts a high GDP per capita. The state's proximity to major metropolitan areas like New York City and Philadelphia, coupled with its strong educational system, contributes to its economic prosperity. Are you from New Jersey? Wrote down in the comments section below. While not at the very top, New Jersey's robust economy and innovation place it among the nation's wealthiest states. Number 7. Ohio. Ohio claims the 7th spot on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP, with a diverse economy driven by sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, and education. Ohio has a solid economic foundation. The state's central location, skilled workforce, and strong infrastructure have attracted businesses and investments. Ohio's location has proven to be an asset for economic growth and expansion because it links the Northeast to the Midwest. Much cargo and business traffic passes through its borders along its well-developed highways. Ohio has the nation's 10th largest highway network and is within a one-day drive of 50% of North America's population and 70% of North America's manufacturing capacity. While not as affluent as higher-ranked states, Ohio's economic stability and innovation contribute to its position among the nation's top economic performers. Number 6. Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania secures the 6th position on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP, known for its diverse economy, encompassing industries like healthcare, energy, and manufacturing. Pennsylvania boasts a strong economic presence. The state's rich history of innovation, strategic location, and skilled workforce have contributed to its economic success. Like many U.S. states, Walmart is the largest private employer in Pennsylvania. The state's second largest employer is the University of Pennsylvania, an Ivy League private research university in Philadelphia. Pennsylvania is home to the oldest investor-owned utility company in the U.S., the York Water Company. While not at the very top, Pennsylvania's economic resilience and contributions to various sectors place it among the nation's top economic powerhouses. Number 5. Illinois. Illinois claims the 5th spot on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP, with a diverse economy driven by sectors such as finance, technology, and agriculture. Illinois stands out as an economic powerhouse. The state's bustling city of Chicago, strong educational institutions, and transportation infrastructure contribute to its economic vibrancy. Illinois ranks second in U.S. corn production, with more than 1.5 billion bushels produced annually. With a production capacity of 1.5 billion gallons per year, Illinois is a top producer of ethanol, ranking third in the United States in 2011. While not at the very top, Illinois' economic diversity and innovation position it as a key player in the nation's economy. Number 4. Florida. Florida secures the 4th position on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP. The economy of the state of Florida is the 4th largest in the United States, with a $1.2 trillion gross state product, GSP, as of 2021, known for its diverse economy driven by sectors like tourism, aerospace, and agriculture. Florida boasts a robust economic landscape. The state's sunny climate, booming real estate market, and international trade connections contribute to its economic prosperity. Almost all Americans dream to visit Florida, home to the magic world of Disney, where our dream can come true, regardless of what age we are now. While not at the very top, Florida's economic resilience and unique industry mix position it as a key player in the nation's economy. Number 3. New York. New York claims the 3rd spot on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP. Many Fortune 500 corporations are headquartered in New York City, as are a large number of multinational corporations. New York City has been ranked first among cities across the globe in attracting capital, business, and tourists, with a diverse economy driven by sectors such as finance, media, and technology. New York stands out as an economic powerhouse. The state's iconic city of New York, global financial center, and cultural influence contribute to its economic dominance. While not at the very top, New York's economic diversity and international significance position it as a key player in the nation's economy. Number 2. Texas. Texas secures the 2nd position on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP, known for its diverse economy driven by sectors like energy, technology, and agriculture. Texas boasts a thriving economic landscape. The state's vast land area, oil and gas reserves, and business-friendly environment contribute to its economic strength. Texas has the most farms and the highest acreage in the United States. The state is ranked No. 1 for revenue generated from total livestock and livestock products. Ever since the discovery of oil at Spindletop, energy has been a dominant force politically, and economically within the state. If Texas were its own country, it would be the sixth largest oil producer in the world. While not at the very top on the list, Texas' economic resilience and energy sector dominance position it as a key player in the nation's economy. Now can guess, which states is the richest states in the USA? Let us tell you the secret. Number 1. California. California claims the top spot on our list of the richest states in the USA based on GDP, with a diverse economy driven by sectors such as technology, entertainment, and agriculture. California shines as an economic powerhouse. The state's Silicon Valley, home to Google headquarters, their Hollywood, the biggest production land for filming industry, home to numerous celebrities, and agricultural productivity contribute to its economic dominance. California's economy ranks among the largest in the world. As of 2022, the gross state product, GSP, was $3.6 trillion, the largest in the United States. Los Angeles International Airport is the fourth busiest airport in the world in 2018, and San Francisco International Airport, SFO, is the 25th busiest airport in the world in 2018. Are major hubs for trans-Pacific and transcontinental traffic. There are about a dozen important commercial airports and many more general aviation airports throughout the state. California's innovation, cultural influence, and economic output surpass all other states, solidifying its position as the leading economic force in the nation. From California's tech prowess to New York's financial dominance, each state brings unique strengths to the table. Let's us move on to Europe. Which country strive as the best country in Europe? I would most argue that will be UK. Check out this video and I'll see you there.